For exercise 11.4, we are looking at an example of a seismogram printout from an earthquake. And we have these squiggly lines that are printed out on graph paper. We have the arrival of the P wave first, then the S wave, and then the surface waves, the L and the R waves, follow. Each seismogram printout has these vertical lines. That is time. And as we move to step 2, and you have a seismogram printout that you need to determine the arrival time for the P and the S and the L waves. We're looking here at this continuous line that starts at 105. The next vertical line would be 106. And this line continues across. And then if you look, it picks up at the next row. So on this first line, it ended at 141. And then as it continues on to the next row, 142 starts there. So we have 143, and we keep going all the way across. We got to keep going. And this second row ends at time 218. That means that this third row starts at 219, 220, 221, so on and so forth until we get to where the P wave first arrives. So you'll record that time for your P wave arrival time. Each one of these minutes can be broken down into even smaller time segments of every 15 seconds. And so they zoomed in for you here so that you can see what time the S wave actually starts. You can estimate that since it's in between a minute, but here they really zoomed in for you so that you can get more precise with your time, your arrival time, so you can have maybe hours, minutes, and seconds. So you'll do that for the S wave arrival, and same thing for the L wave arrival. And see if you can estimate when the R wave, see if you can decipher. If you can't, don't worry about it.